Okay, hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from OSCON 2013 in Portland. I'm here in front of a GM booth with an awesome looking car and three gentlemen who are going to tell us who they are and what they're up to.
Jeremy Tanner, Chaotic Moon, working with GM to develop apps for the automobiles.
Yep, I'm with Jeremy at Chaotic Moon, and we're here to show what's possible on the platform and to help push GM to do even more for the developers we have on the platform.
I'm Junior Barrett from General Motors, and these guys are supporting me in the activities here at OSCON, which is why we're here today.
So let me start with GM. So you're putting technology in cars all over the place. Is it built on open source, or what is the play with OSCON here?
So the play with OSCON here for us is that we actually developed a portal, developer.gm.com. And what we're trying to do is get to drive awareness to developers that you can build apps for our vehicles. We would like developers to build apps for us and then make it open source to encourage other developers of all the capabilities that is out there. So an example would be we were at a hackathon that Dom hosted a couple weeks ago at iOS Dev Camp, and one of the winning apps there was a fleet management app, which was open source, which is awesome. So now that code is now available for other developers to go and utilize to make the whole driving experience better.
Excellent. So you guys are the tech guys here, and business is here.
Yes, correct.
Pretty much. So what is the stack inside that car, the OS and all that?
So it's HTML5 with an Eclipse user IDE, and it's everything you would imagine from that stack, with the power of actual in-dash and also on-car APIs. OnStar APIs. Okay. So OnStar, one of the oldest remote services for cars in America, in the world actually, innovating that with you can call the person, you can get directions, you can get the car unlocked, a whole bunch of things you can do. You can now do that by programming using an interface that OnStar provided.
So I could, as an owner of a GM car that has OnStar, I could get access to the API and start programming it?
Yep, you can tell the car what to do. Some of the things you can do with OnStar you can now do remotely with their API. Now, if you want to get very technical and you want to actually ship something inside the touchscreen, you can do that as well. A special app to interface with your service, or talk to the web, or talk to any number of other APIs that are all out there open source. And so the purpose of being here is to connect with everyone else running systems like that and show them how they can do it inside the car and remotely.
Excellent. So Jeremy, how are you finding the conversations this week here at OSCON with the car here and the APIs and everything?
Folks seem pleasantly surprised to see us here. They seem pleasantly surprised at both the quality of the vehicle and the support for the community, so it's been a good experience.
Excellent. So, question on where are we going in the future with this? Is every car that ships from GM going to have some sort of software unit based in it now?
So actually, we're working on that. We're working on the standard for the technology in the future. Most cars in the future will have 7 and 8 inch screens, first of all. So we want drivers to take advantage of that. We want developers to build apps to enhance the driving experience. We're about to launch this year, and we're not even complete yet, and we're already announced we're going to be adding 4G LTE to the cars next year. And we're already talking about what the next one's going to be. So we're constantly improving and enhancing this capability right now, and the sky's the limit right now.
Okay. So is that 4G LTE going to be through a carrier, or is it OnStar?
Yeah, we announced that relationship with AT&T at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona earlier this year, and look forward to seeing it in model year 15.
Excellent. So any parting words on where you guys are going in the future with this?
The concept is to go everywhere. I mean, we want to literally be in this car, traveling around America, connecting with developers wherever they may be, hearing their feedback, going on the road with them, literally. Yeah. And throughout this year and next year, taking their feedback, incorporating it into the platform. So what I would say to anyone watching is, if you have an idea for a great car app, these guys are listening. And so, and not only that, they have Chaotic Moon, the world's most experienced and awesome mobile app development studio, right behind them to help them get that thing done that you guys require. That's what we're here for.
Excellent. And Jeremy?
The same.
And so how does someone get going with Chaotic Moon or with GM? Where's the website?
Oh yeah, it's developer.gm.com.
Okay, and then Chaotic Moon?
And chaoticmoon.com if you want to learn about what we're doing.
And chaotic normal spelling?
Yeah, normal spelling, chaoticmoon.com.
Just like CHAOTIC.
Great. Thank you guys. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you.